In our oceans, sharks play an important role as the top predators in many ecosystems. You can think of them as the lions of the Serengeti, helping to maintain balance in the food webs that they're a part of. Sand tiger sharks are a large coastal shark that primarily feed on small fishes, but they also play this important role as top predators in many coastal ecosystems, like the Delaware Bay. Using acoustic transceivers, we were able to observe how the size and composition of the sand tiger groups changed throughout their annual migration, depending on where they were and what they were doing. In the summertime, male and female sand tigers were in a large group in the Delaware Bay and surrounding coastal waters, primarily feeding on small fish and getting ready for their annual migration. When they left the Delaware Bay in the fall, the group dynamic shifted, with males and females taking different migration routes south along the east coast. When the sharks reached the Cape Hatteras region off of North Carolina, both the males and females came back together and rejoined and formed one large group again. In the late winter and early spring, the group dynamic shifted again in that the sand tigers dispersed. We think during this time they were probably searching for food or possibly looking for mates. In the late spring and early summer, the sand tigers regrouped and quickly migrated north along the east coast of the United States, where they returned to the Delaware Bay for the summer season. Shark populations are declining worldwide, and sand tiger populations are no exception. In fact, sand tigers have one of the lowest reproductive rates of any shark species, and so even the smallest disturbances can have huge impacts on their populations. By better understanding the sand tiger population and how the groups that they form change throughout the year, I'm hoping that we can be more informed in our conservation efforts and be able to identify specific areas where the sand tiger population may be more vulnerable or exposed to human disturbances.